YouTube, so today I'm going to be making slime. I already did a video today making slime, but I'll just do another. So, I'm going to be using school glue, and yeah, oh my god, I don't know how to come out. Okay, I have 2 bottles of school glue, so yeah. Okay, and I have this container to mix it all in and stuff. Okay. And then I have all these food colorings. I took them out of the containers. I don't know why. But yeah. Oh, and my activator is going to be borax with water. So yeah. So let's start by adding some glue in. Here. There's like stuff on it. That's gross. Okay. Let's put some glue. I'm just going to close this up. Okay, so again, closed it up. Okay, so there. I'm going to, the food coloring I'm going to be adding is, let's see. I'll probably just add, blue food coloring, because I don't think I did blue before. I've done teal, but I don't think I've done blue before, so I'll just add blue food coloring. Okay, so I mixed my color in, and yeah, so next you're just going to be adding some of your activator, and of course my activator is borax with water, and I'm not going to be making, sometimes I'll be making fluffy slime, but I don't know yet, so. Okay, so let's just add some activator, and this. So you're just gonna keep adding, you're gonna add activator, and you're just gonna keep mixing it and mixing it and mixing it. And you're gonna add more activator if it doesn't turn into slime, and then you're gonna mix it and mix it. So don't add a lot at a time, so yeah. So mine hasn't turned into slime yet, but it's like working its way there. See? Okay. Looks kind of weird. Oh, I got like tons of stuff for yeah. I got like containers because I couldn't put my slime in anything else. Okay, I think I need more activators. I'm just gonna mix my hand because I don't really know when it's like ready if I'm not mixing my hand. So here I'm still mixing this. It's like I'll be back when it's fully turned. So I am back and I finished my slime and it's amazing. So yeah, this turns into regular slime just like that. So this is nice slime. So comment down below what other slimes I can make. other than this, because I don't know how to make other slimes. I think I know how to make, there's like crunchy slime, foam slime, candle slime, rainbow slime. Okay, yeah, I kind of do actually. So I know other slime. Oh, it's a little bubble. Okay, I cannot do bubbles. It's like really hard to. Let's try. That was the worst bubble. It wasn't even a bubble. It was nothing. Okay. Okay, that's it for this video. So, comment down below what other slimes I can make. And like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!